are going to Nazaré.
Woo.
I didn't go last year, so this is going to be interesting. We're not going to go and do what Steph's parents usually do, which is basically boardwalk. We're going to go to a spot that is known for the waves, or a scenic spot where people see the waves. Now, here's something you didn't know. I found out last year. Nazaré's big waves only happen in the winter months, which is essentially October to March is when you get those like crazy waves, 90-foot tall waves, 100-foot tall, etc., etc. I don't know what we're gonna see, maybe baby waves, whatever. It's experience, never did it, we're gonna do it. That's all. Anything for you, my dear?
I want to see where is that viewpoint. So I'm wondering if it's this one spot I have gone with parents, but maybe not. And if not, then it's new for me too. But yeah.
Nothing surprises veteran. Here's a fun fact about Stephanie. She can't go anywhere if this thing is dirty. So she always sprays the windshield wiper fluid.
3 times a day.
So much so that I had to go buy some because we ran out. The more you know. This year, I did something different. Every summer, I go to Portugal with Steph to spend time with her family, but this year, I decided to visit in February. Now, I was excited for a few reasons. Of course, being back in Portugal and seeing family is always special, but February, this time around, meant something else. It's peak wave season in Nazaré. So in honor of Nazaré, let me give you a quick bit of history. Now, Nazaré, for centuries, was a quiet fishing village on Portugal's Atlantic coast. Generations of fishermen bet their lives around the ocean, launching small wooden boats into waters that could be generous one day and unforgiving the next. Long before the world's attention turned to here, the town lived entirely by the rhythm of the sea. Today, Nazaré is known for something extraordinary. Just offshore lies the Nazaré Canyon, a massive underwater canyon that shapes Atlantic swells into some of the largest waves on Earth. Surfers from around the world come here to test themselves. Now that was what I was hoping for. But Portugal just got hit by a major storm, so expectations were a little bit muted. The conditions that often bring the legendary waves weren't quite lining up. The anticipation was there, but it felt quieter. Instead of a spectacle, we experienced something a little different. We experienced the town, its resilience, its energy. There was even a festival happening while we were there. And despite the storm, the spirit of the place was still alive. The storm may have softened the dream we imagined when we planned this trip, but it didn't take away from the experience. If anything, it made the moment feel more grounded, because places like Nazaré aren't defined by a single perfect day or a single giant wave. They're defined by centuries of life beside the ocean. And standing here in February, even after the storm, you realize something simple. The dream wasn't just about the waves. It was just about being here.